Hopefully you guys can all hear me. You should be able to hear me. I got the earpiece in. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about my mixing ratio, what I'm personally using with Apple Blossom and the booster pump. So I'm going to show you the way I'm doing it and what's working well for us. And you guys can, figure out on your own what you want to do. So it's going to get a little bit noisy because he's power washing the deck back there. But let me go over here and show you. So I just made a new mix up. 1 gallon. So 1 gallon of Apple Blossom. So 1 gallon. And 15 gallons of water. So I got a 16-gallon mix. So 1 gallon of Apple Blossom to 15 gallons of water is what I have. And then I'll go over here and I'll show you. I had to take off, I'm doing some work on my truck, so I had to take off my plate, but let me flip this around for you. I don't know if you guys can see, but my soap valve is right on 30. What my phone does say rotate. All right, there you go. So my soap valve is right on 30. So 1 gallon of Apple Blossom, 15 gallons of water, and I'm on 30 on my mixing valve. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me start my generator. Hold on a second. All right, and I'll show you what it's looking like at my mix ratio. All right, let me go over here so I give you guys a good shot. All right, you ready? Just turn the camera around. All right, boom. That's what it's looking like. That's what I'm working with. Bada bing, bada bang. Beautiful. So that, like I said, guys, that's 1 gallon. 1 gallon of Apple Blossom to 15 gallons of water. Ran through my booster pump with the soap setting on 30. So, you guys can experiment and go stronger. If you guys want to have a more thicker mix, but for me, man, that's perfect. It's doing what I want, and it cleans wonderfully. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. Peace out. Everybody have a great day and stay safe out there.